Today we are talking about our traditional riffs. Regardless of which set of riffs we're doing, the 2 count always stays the same. When we're talking about riffs, they are counted by the number of counts. So you have a 2 count riff and they go all the way up to 7. In the traditional riffs, we are able to start walking with them when we start learning our 4 count riff. In traditional riffs, ideally you want to get your 6 count and your 7 count all executed within 1 count of music, which means you've got to move really fast. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about our conventional riffs. I will see you then.